Today, let's take a look at the best setup of the day. We will do a full top-down analysis like always. Talk about every single detail. Let's not waste any more time. I'll start now. Let's talk about the greatest setup of the day, AMVI. I'm sure that most of you traded the super rally. If you missed it, do not worry. I'll do a full top-down analysis right now, from weekly to 5 minutes. Let's do it. Let me start from the weekly. What do you see here? Price is extremely powerful. It is on fire. But where is it heading? It tries to balance and fix the market by rebalancing these imbalances. And this earlier failed weekly imbalance is a great sign that sellers are losing control here. Now all these are clear. Let's take a look at the daily chart now. In the daily chart, what do you really see? Tell me. First of all, what happened inside the yellow circle? This mega daily imbalance failed and a gigantic daily price switch happened. This was the core of the rally, how it all started days ago. After that, rally went crazy by creating momentum imbalances. It keeps pushing upwards. I hope all these were really clear. This is 100% the same concept that I teach you in the masterclass. Let's take a look at our momentum and power layout, which mostly consists of hourly charts. What do you see here? Notice how the price powered up and supercharged by using its 4 different imbalances at once. This is supercharge, ultimate fuel. No one else teaches you these concepts on the internet. What I teach you is checking out 10 different time frames at a single look. This is a unique setup and system. Now, what I want to do is check the 1 hour time frame and talk further on it. As you can see, this is a falling knife here. Do you have any idea where the price will turn? No, not at all. This price here may keep falling forever. Sellers may keep destroying the buyers. We have no idea. When I see these big rejection candles with large wicks, I got the first clue. Buyers are getting into a fight. Price is kind of holding. But I need more evidence. Let's check the 30 minutes and see what happens. Notice the first green candlestick here. Buyers are pushing hard and price starts to rise here. Now, dropping to the 5-minute time frame. Why 5 minutes? Because I have the ability to check weekly, daily, 4 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15, 5, 3, and 1 minute, all of them at once. 5 minutes was the clearest. Notice how this large 5-minute imbalance failed really bad. And how the buyers keep pushing the price. What is going on here? Price is going higher. This is 5-minute price switch of rally strategy. This is how you catch these 5% moves in the market. How many things we have combined. It is really crazy. Let's have a full recap of what we had. First of all, we got a bias by looking at the weekly chart. We understood that price was trying to balance out some of these weekly imbalances. Then in the daily time frame, we have noticed that gigantic daily price switch. We understood the origin of the mega rally here. Then we noticed the supercharge of multi-level imbalances. Price tapped 4 different imbalances at once. Then you have confirmed the micro 5-minute price switch. Then we noticed the rally starting with a smaller momentum imbalances. This was a great setup of the day. I hope that you have enjoyed this daily practice video. See you next time. Take care, please. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you improved your trading skills, but you need more, an extra, a boost, and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You'll learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. And we will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. Finally, you'll discover a strategy called YOYO strategy, which will open new doors for you about taking and managing trades. If you are interested, you can find links on my website on the description. Take care, friends, manage your risks, and stay safe.